Part 2. Integrating your evidence. In 30 minutes, arrange all your disconnected note-style writing into structured body paragraphs. 1. Begin each body paragraph with the analytic topic sentence claims you drafted. A. Don't worry about revising and perfecting at this point. 2. Provide context for your secondary quotes. A. Introduce the source you are about to quote before you present the quote. B. Example. One way to understand ... is by using this author's concept of this topic from source title. 3. Embed the quote into your own sentence structuring. Example A. Author defines term by saying, provide the exact quote formatted to fit your sentence, surrounded by quotation marks, and ending with a citation tag of the author's last name and page number. The period goes outside of the last parenthesis. Example B. Author argues that, quote, citation tag, period. 4. Copy your paraphrase, critique, and interpretation for the secondary source. 5. Repeat the context, embedding, and explanation for any additional sources. Continued on next slide.